what's up? You just saw me make this smoothie right here, and I'm in desperate need of this. I just worked out and I'm so hungry, I'm so tired. It was such a tiring workout, and I think you can see it in my face also, like I look so tired, and I don't know what is up with this hair. Like it's not cooperating at all, so please, like, do not mind that. Y'all always requesting me to vlog more often, and I thought like let me show you a work day in my life. So today I have a ton of work to do. I'll show you my to-do list later. So I thought let's vlog today. So one of my videos went live right now. It's the off-duty jeans haul. I'm pretty sure you must have already seen it. If you haven't, like check it out. The link is there in the description. And I will like quickly reply to all the comments because I love chatting with you guys. Your comments always make my day. So I thought I'll reply to that while drinking my smoothie, and then I'll take a shower and I'll see you. But before that, I actually took a couple of clips after working out to show you like what I'm wearing and the workout that I've done, because I get a lot of questions about my workouts these days. And yeah, so I filmed that, so I'll just roll those clips in. You guys enjoy watching that. तब तक मैं comments को reply करती हूँ, and then I'll get you. Please don't mind the sweaty mess that I am. I just finished my workout, but I thought I'll show you my fit. So the pants, like the yoga pants, are from Reliance Trends, and ये मैंने 4-5 साल पहले खरीदे थे. They still are holding up so nicely. They are of such good quality. I think I hit some kind of jackpot with these because Reliance Trends के pants are lasting for so long. The t-shirt is from H&M. I just threw in any old t-shirt, and my sports bra is from, I think it's from Westside. Yes, I get almost all my sports bras from Westside. I love their sports bras, especially for high intensity workout. Also, if you are wondering what workout I did this workout, and this one is from Grow with Joe, and this is such an intense workout. That workout is crazy. It's for 40 minutes and it almost killed me. I usually do like 20 minutes of cardio and then 20 or 25 minutes of strength training with my resistance bands and dumbbells. So I don't usually do just cardio because strength training I personally prefer it. It's very important. But आज मैंने ये देखा, I thought let's give it a try because it's for 40 minutes. Let's see कैसा है. It just killed me. It's so good. It's so intense, and you can see how out of breath I am, and I just cannot do strength training anymore today. So आज के लिए skip करना पड़ेगा. Also guys, we hit 17K. I'm trying to celebrate all the like small milestones as much as possible to keep myself motivated, and 20K soon. So please subscribe. I'm back. So I've taken a shower. I did not wash my hair today, and I had to urgently reply to a couple of mails. So थोड़ा सा late हो गया. It's already 1:30 now, and I have to quickly get ready and start shooting a video. But before that, I thought like let me show you my to-do list and tell you like how I start my day. So I swear by making to-do list. It can be daily or even weekly for that matter. बीच में I tried doing weekly to-do list as well. So I used to list out कि कुछ major tasks जो मुझे करने हैं for entire week. But these days I'm back to daily to-do list. I like to like keep switching between different options. So I'll show you the to-do list. Now usually I make it either the night before or in the morning itself. Also I do want to tell you that this is not how every day of my life looks like. Obviously I give myself enough breaks because I need breaks to avoid burnout, truthfully. So ऐसा नहीं है कि हर दिन मैं इतना काम करती हूँ, something like that. This is just like one specific day. Also आजकल इतना ज़्यादा काम इसलिए because first of all the drop is coming. 2 वीडियोस जानी है. I've even started making a lot of Instagram reel and Instagram content. So मुझे उसमें भी टाइम डालना पड़ता है. And it's my birthday on 9th, like 9th June. So I want to get a couple of videos done before that so that I can relax. And I don't want to work on my birthday. Although I'm pretty sure कि मैं सिर्फ दिन भर घर पे ऐसे पड़ी हुई होंगी, Netflix देख रही होंगी, because what all can we do in this lockdown. But still I don't want to work on it. So I want to complete a couple of videos, like जो 10 को वीडियो जाएगा ताकि मुझे 9 को एडिट ना करना पड़े. So I have like a hectic week ahead, and now for my to-do list right now, the first task there is working out, which like let me just cross it off because we are done with that. So I am vlogging the day, so I had to vlog. Third one is I have to clean and sort out the pack. Now if you've seen, like I'll show you later, but this one part of my room has totally converted into a warehouse. I've got so many packages there. Most of them are empty packaging that I'm keeping and packaging for D's Closet, and I've got a lot of shoes जो कि अभी D's Closet की सेल में जाएंगे. I've got some things there, so I have to clean that out. I have to sort that out because मुझे कल या परसों में I have to click all the pictures for the drop on D's closet and you know, like different things like that. Now if you're new to the channel and you don't know what I'm talking about, then D's closet is my own Instagram thrift store. The Instagram is always linked in the description if you want to follow it. I think it still has 3 pieces on it. और मुझे Instagram में आज कुछ upload करना है. It can either be a post or a reel. Let's see, शाम को देखती हूँ. And finally I have some AdSense little info that I have to do, like that is work little stuff. Actually I've already done that, so let me tick that off also. Finally I have to get ready and shoot a video, which is what I'm going to do now, because I want to shoot it since I shoot in the daylight. I don't have any artificial lighting right now, so I like to complete my shoots during the day. Now I'll go put on some makeup, get ready for the shoot, and then I'll see you. And the makeup is on. Like, this is what the makeup looks like, and truthfully I actually attempted doing a very different eye look. मैंने Instagram में कुछ देखा होता, I saved a reel, I tried that and I fucked it up like anything. So फिर मैंने उसको salvage करने की कोशिश करी, but I am actually not happy with this makeup. I don't know, I think it looks weird. Let me tell me in the comments कि कैसा लग रहा है. Also I messed up this eyeliner. तो मैंने ऐसे बाल करे ताकि मैं उसको छुपा सकूं. I'm not sure about the hairstyle right now कि ये कैसा लग रहा है. I might change the hairstyle, but now before starting the shoot I'm thinking कि I'll eat my lunch and I'll watch something on Netflix. Lucifer का नया like season 5 के बाकी episodes आ चुके हैं. Super excited about that, but that I watched with my brother, तो मैं वो नहीं देखूंगी. I think I'll just play Big Bang Theory.
Wonder if you spend the winter all alone, yeah. 'Cause I don't please fall, I don't please fall. Yeah. See, had to ask a question if you happy, girl. I'll change your mind anytime in this happy world. Let's go and kick it, you and me, and see what love unfurls. 'Cause girl, I bet you love some tugging on them lovely curls.
Also, while applying makeup, I totally forgot कि अभी खाना बचा है, and I applied the lipstick. And now I have to eat so cautiously. Damn, why did I forget that? So this is what I wore for the shoot. It's a really cute dress, so flouncy. I love wearing it. It's very playful. And I think I forgot to tell you, but I shot a haul video today, and now I'm transferring all the footage. So I'm vlogging from my phone because camera भी footage transfer करने के लिए use हो रहा है. Now while the footage transfers, it will take about 22 minutes. I'll clean everything because यहाँ पे you can see it is also messy. यहाँ पे पीछे I've got a lot of mess going on because try on haul था, तो I had to try everything and all that.
Hold up, a week up after that, believe we started dating. My heart was racing, but never felt my time was wasting. My mind was chasing, ain't no debating. I'm feeling you and trying to get together, figure out what to do. Even after some disasters, we were making it work. But never did I ever think that you would do in the dirt. Stay cute while you smile in your brand new skirt. Just happy that we've been together and we never get hurt. So say, girl, why you kick it with them guys all dumb? If you ever got some worries when with me all done, change the picture that you paint until the paint all gone. 'Cause I'm just falling for the artist like your name Autumn. Like, wonder if you spent the winter all alone, yeah. 'Cause I don't please fall, I don't please fall.
Now usually after shooting a video, my day gets over, I clean up, I change my clothes, I remove my makeup and I just chill. But today, since you know we have a long to-do list, तो अभी बहुत काम बचा हुआ है. And I feel so tired already, guys. मुझे इतनी थकान हो रही है, I just want to sleep. But I have to work because एक तो अभी बहुत जल्दी में drop आने वाले हैं इसलिए. And now, talking about the drop, let me give you the next drop date of D's Closet, which is on 5th June. So the next drop will happen on 5th June. 5th June, actually one of my best friend's birthdays on 5th June. But that was so pointless here. I just wanted to mention. So the drop is gonna happen on 5th June at 8 PM. So make sure you're there to get the items. And मैंने आपको already पहले बता दिया है, drop में there are only going to be footwears this time. I think I have like 6, 7, 8 pairs of shoes हैं, and everything is not used by me even once. I just tried them on ऐसे try on haul करने के लिए. That is that. उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं किया है. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. You follow D's Closet because that is where the drop will happen. So yes, officially the drop's gonna happen, I think day after tomorrow at 8 PM. Like, don't forget that time. And now moving on to our next task on our to-do list, which is to clean and sort out this mess right here. Now I never film in this setup because पीछे से ये इतना गंदा दिखता है. I'm just filming here to show you like I have to clean all of this. Drink your water. चलो काम करते हैं. These are the tissue papers that I use in the packaging. Like if you have ordered from Dee's Closet and आपने देखा होगा आपको जो सामान मिला था वो एक टिश्यू पेपर में पैकेज होता है. So this is the tissue paper that I used. I got this from Amazon. I told you I'm storing like a lot of packaging and जितने भी बड़े-बड़े items होंगे I'm gonna like send them to you in these packages only. So this is the mess right here. I've cleaned everything. I have to see कि इसमें से कितने चीज़ें जो मैं reuse कर पाऊँगी and there are some things which are torn or something तो उनको हटाना है and I think I'll try to shift them in some other part of my house. Let's see. But before that, let me show you something. So I found this Nykaa box and do you remember I got these back in I think I don't know, I don't even remember actually. मैंने किसी Nykaa sale से लिया था and these 3 things I have not used yet and I think these are the next skincare items that I'm gonna use after my current products are finished. I've got Neutrogena का ये Hydro Boost cleanser. I've got a serum, same Neutrogena का. It's the Hydro Boost capsule serum. And then my favorite Neutrogena cream. So happy to see it. पता है मुझे याद ही नहीं था कि I had these and मैंने already इसका एक दूसरा order कर लिया था which I'm currently using. So I'm happy that I have a backup now. So yay, I'm really happy to find these. And I also found a lot of sheet masks जो मैंने order किए थे उस time पे. I don't think I've used any of these. So cleaning actually was worth it. I found my items जो जिनके बारे में मैं भूल चुकी थी. In this box I found my phone case. I bought this iPhone for myself in January. I'm still paying off the EMI of this freaking phone. But I'm so happy my first iPhone I got for myself. इसका charger and also my Casetify phone case. You remember I told you about this Casetify का phone case का कहानी in my one of my vlogs. If you don't, check out that vlog. I'll link it in the description. I don't wanna clean. I don't wanna clean ये mess. Yeah, this is too overwhelming now. Like look at this all around me. I've got boxes.
In the cold, 'cause there's nothing left to hold, yeah. 'Cause I don't leaves fall. Yeah, if you knew what I do for you. Next to me, we both see it's crazy. But when we walk away from problems, leave them right outside the door. And then we running back together 'cause I know you wanting more. Trying to see on what's between us and on what we got in store. But the pain we feel is real and still it got me feeling so, yeah.
And I did it guys, it's all clean. And right now you might be wondering कि यहाँ पे अभी भी सामान पड़ा हुआ है दीक्षिता. But these are the things that I'm going to sell. So these are all the footwear that are going to go live on Dee's Closet. I won't obviously tell you क्या क्या है except for this one which you can see. But I want to give you a sneak peek. So which one should I show you? Like I'll show you 2 pair of footwear. Okay. So let's see. चलो ये वाला देखते हैं. So this, oh my god, this was my favorite purchase from Ajio and I'm so sad that this did not fit me. These are these transparent heels. ये मेरे लिए एक साइज छोटी हैं. So sadly they'll be going, but they're so pretty and ये अभी तक stock में भी नहीं आई है. I want to like repurchase it, but they're not on stock. And the second one, चलो ये top में यही दिखा देते हैं. These are, oh my god, another favorite. I swear I did not plan. मैंने इनको just tag किया था, but guys I love these as well. These also small for me and I could not exchange these. So yes, this is the second pair. So there are 8 pairs of footwear that will go live on 5th June at 8 PM. And I think almost everything is done. मैंने clean वगैरह कर दिया है, so let me take this off. So I've just uploaded the reel and this is my Instagram, guys. Make sure following me there, and this is the Instagram of Dee's Closet. So let me just check that off. And guys, I have been posting a lot on Instagram these days. मतलब आजकल मैं बहुत reels बना रही हूँ. I'm having so much fun making reels. So make sure you're following me there. This is my Instagram handle. It's Deekshita Punetha. So please follow करो वहाँ पर. And I think everything is done. Okay, I've been vlogging throughout the day, so vlog also I'll take off. And my to-do list is done. Yay! It is such a good feeling. Now I'll be truthful. Most of the days मेरी to-do list complete भी नहीं हो पाती, but I'm so happy that today I was able to do everything. Yay! Also, I do want to say once again that this is not how every day looks like in my life. Please don't think कि मैं हर दिन इतना productive होती हूँ. There are so many days when I just when I'm so unproductive, when I just chill, when I just sit and binge watch. So please don't think कि मेरी life ऐसे हमेशा ऐसी रहती है, very productive and all that. Now I'll go take a shower, remove this makeup, maybe sit with my family, have fun, and that's it. You know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and bye.